13 years old. My project was to light up each LED at a time, and then there's a button, and then when you press the button, it'll stop. In my code, so the while true, this is a loop, so while it just repeats forever when it's true, and I set up the button or variable, and I place a GPL pin number 22, and then I did the score thing here, so I'll set the score to 0, and then every time if pin equals 16, and then you'll add 1 to your score, and then you'll print out the score. However, if you press the button and it stops on any color besides green, then you'll lose 1 point and it'll print out the score. So I get 1 point, and then if I stop on a red light, I get 0 points. Any questions?
So you make kind of like a game?
Yeah.
What was the hard part?
Typing up the code. Yeah.
Oh, why did you go like a game?
Huh?
Why did you make it go like a game?
Because it's fun. Yeah.
How many times did you test it?
Like 2 times.
Okay, good.